I want to teach you how to do this. Before we get started, you must know that these steps I'm going to show you will probably take months, and you don't go to the next one until you've mastered the one that you're on. This is something I work directly with my students on over long periods of time, and I'm going to condense it into hopefully under a minute and a half for you. Your first order of business is to be able to make this sound. If you can't make this sound, do not do anything else.
Hey, what's up, guys? What's going on?
If you're a fan of Halo, now right now, if you can make that sound, but it feels too low and deep in your throat, and you're probably thinking, oh gosh, I'm not doing it right. Well, of course you're not. It's just the first step, and that doesn't mean there's no promise. The next step is to get the majority of the sense of this distortion up behind the back of your tongue and even into the front of the mouth. The goal here is to take the epiglottis and the arytenoids and make them touch and rattle all gross and squishy like. So the way you're going to do that is you're going to take this voice and you're going to smile with it like you're excited, and you're going to talk like you're having fun.
Hey guys, what's going on? It's good to see you. My name is Mark and I'm just happy to be here.
When I talk like that,
Instead of the distortion being low and uncomfortable,
and all the muscles in my larynx feeling like you're pulling down and squeezing and straining, the neck feels predominantly relaxed, and the majority of the activation, again, goes behind the tongue. Now from here, I want you to think about your favorite food, one of your favorite things to eat. Keep the jokes PG. But what you're going to do is you're going to chew it with the front of your face. Nom, 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 nom. So you have your happy sound.
hey everybody. When
When I do this, the sound feels like it's filling up the front of my mouth. There's a ton of buzz on my lips. And most importantly, my neck, although activated, feels relaxed. The base of my tongue, although activated, does not feel overburdened, and the majority, if not all of the distortion, feels up in the back of my mouth and forward. Now here's the next step. We are gonna take the vocal cord phonation out of it. For most students, this is the most brain-bending step, but if you can say s and z, you know how to turn your vocal cords on and off. It's just a matter of practice and repetition. So we're gonna take this and we're gonna do little tiny pulses, and we're gonna think about our voice pulsing into the back of our lips. We're taking the entirety of our sound and we're putting it here. Now, as we pulse, let those vocal cords fall away. You can think about being a little bit more airflow permissive. Now, right now, it's not gonna sound like much.
Hey, hi. Hey everybody, what's going on? My name is Mark, and the reason that this is comfortable to do is because I've spent time placing the sound before I have started pressing the sound. Placement before power.
Now, before we start projecting, we're gonna do guttural stuff with our tongues. Keep it PG. We can curl our tongue up. We can curl our tongue down. Whatever is best for you, but you want your voice to sound boomy and big and rattly, again, in the front of your face. You can use your clean voice to check your trajectory. Already, we're starting to get somewhere. The next step, which is one of the final brain benders, is that we are going to press into the sound. Now, there's a reason that this step comes last, because it is very easy to overdo this or do this in the wrong way, right? So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be going back to my voiced sound.
Right here.
We're going to backtrack. Doesn't mean you've done it wrong. We're just going to go back real quick. You'll see why. I'm going to take this and I'm going to go, like I'm gonna throw up. But I want you to notice something. I am not going, that won't do you any good. What I am doing is, that pressure is going forward. Now again, remember, we do this without our vocal cords as a final product. Right now, the vocal cords are in there to just sort of give you a familiar sensation, but we're gonna remove them again. Right? Now let's drop those vocal cords like we've already done. Now after that, you've got a basic low scream that you can turn into cool gutturals. Everything past that is just a lot of goofy tongue positions and doing funny things with your mouth. Like if you want it to sound slurry, like it does in the clip, you just kind of really while you're articulating. The lyrics, all things are clear, I pronounce like this. Your things are clear.
Yeah, thanks for a treat.
So here's everything all together.